Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. After Wolf Blitzer blasted Crazy Nancy in their interview, now it looks like a lot of the media is jumping on her about holding up stimulus for all Americans. They are starting to say the very same things that we all have been saying for so long now. But the difference is, with them saying it, it could create enough pressure on her to get something done. And just take the deal that the American people needs so bad right now. Let's hope and pray. She said herself that the American people can't wait till February for a bill. Well, we have been waiting now for almost 6 months for a bill that she keeps blocking because it's not 100% of what she wants. I don't know how she thinks it matters what she wants. It's what the people needs. She thinks the longer she keeps kicking this down the road, the worse Donald Trump will look. But in reality, and it's hitting home now, it's making her look bad. She's got a lot of her own party members turning against her. The media that has been for her all along are now turning against her. Who's looking bad? The Senate will return to work on Monday the 19th. The Mooch Man says their first order of business is to get a standalone bill passed. They are working on several standalone bills. The first one they're going to work on is for PPP money. After they get that passed, if they get it passed, the next one will be for unemployment. They're going in order of importance to them. But one thing, will the Mooch Man ever learn that standalone bills will not fly with Crazy Nancy unless he can word it in such a way that it makes Crazy Nancy look good in her own vodka-riddled mind. Y'all, if you filed for an extension on your tax return, it is due today, so please take care of that if you can. If you can't, they will take payments. You just have to write a letter to them explaining why you can't pay and how much you can afford to pay. They will accept what you say you can afford, with one caveat. If you do this, you're going to have penalties and late fees added to that, and they're hefty. Y'all, I know this to be true because I have done it 2 times in the past. It's not ideal, but if that's the only thing you can do, it's the only thing you can do. The IRS is not out to put people in jail. They're out to get their money that you work so hard for. So whatever you can afford to pay them, they will accept. I've never known them to turn down an amount, unless it was just so grossly past due that it looks like you was trying to dodge paying it. But if you're upfront and honest with them, they'll work with you. Crazy Nancy wrote a letter to her fellow Democrats stating that millions of Americans are without jobs and their families are struggling to pay rent and put food on the table. She goes on to say that the $1.8 trillion from the Republican Party falls short of what the pandemic and the deep recession demands. Even if that was true, which I don't see it, Crazy Nancy, when people are hungry, a half a loaf of bread is better than no loaf of bread. If you can't get a full loaf of bread, take the half a loaf. She also said that the Republicans' offer of $1.8 trillion is inadequate because state and local government needs $346 billion, and the Republicans are only offering $300. Again, a half a loaf of bread. For testing, tracing, and vaccine, Crazy Nancy has won $75 billion, but the Republicans are only wanting to give $45 billion. Y'all, this may not be a perfect bill, but it's better than nothing. And we have been kicking it down the road for 5-6 months now. It's time to get something passed. Nancy, step aside, get out of the way. Like my mama used to say, y'all, I'm sorry. My mama used to say, either shit or get off the pot. The reason Crazy Nancy is not agreeing, according to herself, she said this, she don't like the way some of the money is being spent. Who in the hell cares what she likes? American people don't like going hungry and losing their houses and losing their jobs either, but they're doing it. Thanks a lot, Nancy. On the appointment of Judge Amy Barrett, she is now getting a lot of resistance because she is a Christian, of all things. No, not a Christian in the government. We can't have that. Come on, really? The United States was founded on the beliefs and the teachings of Jesus Christ. And now being a Christian is a bad thing? I say we need a whole lot more Jesus Christ in our country and in our government. Maybe if as a nation we didn't kick him out of schools and our government, we would be better off right now. Our nation is paying the price of a few people that do not want Jesus Christ in our world. The devil is hard at work, y'all. We have to defeat him. Y'all, please check out my other channel. It's growing really good. I've got enough subscribers to get it monetized, but I still want more subscribers. We've got a long way to go on the view hours, but we will get there. I'm in no giant hurry for that channel. My ideal for that channel is, and I want to be transparent with you, when this channel goes away as far as stimulus, yeah, this channel will always be here, but when stimulus goes away, so will most of the viewers and subscribers. So this channel is going to fall way down. I understand that. But when that happens, I want the other channel being in place to help boost it back up, if that makes sense. Instead of one big channel, I have two small channels. I'm good with that. Y'all, please go check out that channel. Also check out my links below. I got my books down there. My self-publishing mastery course is down there. My stun guns are down there. Just go check it out. It might be something down there you want. And please watch the video that's popping up on the screen in just a second or two. That's on the other channel. Please subscribe to that channel when you're over there. Let's grow that channel together. Also too, I got another giveaway coming this Sunday, so y'all please don't miss it. I'm not going to advertise too much for it because I want this to be just for my subscribers. So if you're not subscribed and you want a chance to win some cash or some prizes, now's the time to subscribe. You won't win unless you're subscribed to this channel. Y'all, I'm working towards getting that silver play button for this channel, and it will be hung right there where that book cover is. And then it's time to start working on the other channel, and we'll have that one right beside it. That's a long way away. That's probably a couple of years down the road, and I'm okay with that. But I really want y'all to help me grow both channels. Y'all, I love you all. Y'all come back at 12 o'clock and we'll have another video for you. I love you all. Ciao.